Money differences lead to an estimated 40% of divorces. Hence, it is advisable to get on the same page with your partner rather than carry assumptions into your union. This video helps you with financial planning before marriage and prepares you for a worry-free life. A couple should ideally have the money conversation even before proposal. Although good old budgeting is central to financial planning for would-be couples, it is advisable not to rush into it or focus solely on that. Beyond budgeting, which we'll discuss later in this video, lovebirds must consider other vital components of financial planning. For example, assess your personal views on money and spending habits first before you talk to your partner. Then, consider the following. Number 10. Debt. If financial planning for couples were a course, debt would be Financial Planning 101. This topic covers credit card scores, student loan debt, and even getting a mortgage. Couples should agree on when and how they will take on debt. For example, a couple should decide on financing options for depreciating assets such as cars. Do you lease or purchase them outright? Number 9. Salary differences. Chances are you and your partner will never earn the same amount. However, the phrase for richer or poorer is in your vows for a reason.
Till death do you part.
Regardless of their earning power, each partner should have a say in the family's finances. Questions to ponder may include: will a partner wish or need to take time off work to care for a parent or child or return to school? How can you appreciate each other's value regardless of income level? Number 8. Save versus spend. Because it's more challenging to make ends meet early on, many young couples and a few older ones tend to schedule saving for later. However, it is always a good idea to save, no matter how small. In most scenarios, one person in a relationship is the saver, while the other is the spender. Hence, discussing your money can help avoid unpleasant conversations or surprises. Beyond knowing what you want to talk about with your partner, when and how you bring it up with them can make or unmake you. Coming up are 3 measures to help you bring the subject up seamlessly. Number 7. Know your financial goals. Failing to anticipate future needs is another reason couples struggle to make sound financial decisions. Marriage should be a platform through which you support your partner to achieve their goals. However, you might drag each other down if you're not on the same page about your individual priorities. Deliberate on what matters to each person. Do they want to travel, buy a house, start a business, or have children? Consider how long it will take to achieve their goals or what vision they hold for retirement. Number 6. Draw up a household budget. Nobody enjoys hearing the B word, especially from their partner. However, there is no avoiding the importance of a household budget. Though it may not be romantic, budgeting is critical to understanding your financial situation thoroughly. Even if one earns more, partners should make joint decisions about allocating your funds, since financial manipulation destroys trust, is extremely harmful, and should rightly be a red flag. If your partner behaves this way, you could consult a relationship counselor instead of calling it quits. Number 5. Credit. While credit scores are tracked separately, they can affect you both. A partner's credit score can raise your interest rate or ruin your chances of obtaining joint assets, such as credit, a home, or a car. You should disclose any credit that is due or has a high interest rate. Furthermore, ask your partner if they owe any debt or have an upcoming financial goal that will necessitate the use of credit. Number 4. Retirement. When saving for retirement, it is beneficial to start early, so you benefit from compound interest. It would help if you talk to your spouse about your retirement plans, including current assets, future assets, and your ideal retirement age. Speaking with a financial advisor is an excellent way to prepare for the short and long-term implications of retirement planning. 3 tips for easier conversations about money. Number 3. Scheduling. Consider scheduling the weekly or monthly time slot with your partner to discuss your finances. Just make sure to take the conversation and your partner seriously and respectfully. It is not ideal addressing money issues in passing or while one of you is preoccupied with something else. Number 2. Seek assistance. Even if one of you is a personal finance expert, it is always a good idea to have an expert look over your situation. You could benefit from tax advice, business planning, insurance, or investment insight. Moreover, having a third party validate your plan could make the process less confrontational. Subscribe to this channel for content that will boost your financial knowledge and advance your financial goals. Number 1. Avoid keeping secrets. There are differing views on whether a married couple should maintain separate accounts. Even if you have individual accounts, do not be secretive about what's in them. Unless you are a government spy, of course. There is a distinction between transparency and merging assets. The two are not mutually exclusive. And there will undoubtedly be financial professionals who will argue for the advantages of keeping things separate. Whether you keep individual accounts or not, it would be best if you were on the same page. Financial stress impacts our productivity at work, our mental health, and how we interact with our spouses. The more we talk about it and ask for help, the more steps we can take to develop financial security. A broad view of our assets and liabilities can help us feel more in control and less stressed. Whether you're a newlywed or have been married for a while, improving your communication skills is always a good thing. If you and your partner can handle something as complex and emotional as financial planning together, you'll be ready for whatever else life throws. We suggest you watch our video on budgeting for couples. Thanks for watching.